Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a start to finish wig install on this wig that I'm wearing right now from Yolissa Hair. It is a 613 platinum blonde wig. The wig is absolutely bomb, you guys. If you guys do want to see how I install my hair, then definitely keep on watching.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion, everything you need.
The wig that I'll be reviewing for you guys today is from Yolissa Hair. Now this is their blonde unit, their 613 platinum blonde wig. It's been a while I haven't done a platinum blonde wig, so I'm really excited to send you some stuff. So in here we have some lashes. They also sent me a melt band, which I really appreciate because I definitely needed another one of these. They also send you a comb to stick down your edges, I believe this is like a headscarf, some wig caps, and also just a bag for your wig. So the wig that I got from them is their 180 density 613 platinum blonde wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and try it and see. So this is what it's looking like so far. It is a little, the color on it is like really shiny, but as you guys can see, the lace is nice and already pre-customized for you. It's plucked. It has like the little hairs here that you guys can do baby hairs with. Right now the color is looking a little funny to me. It's been so long, you guys, that I've done like a color like this. Usually, y'all, with my blonde wigs, I always like either do the purple shampoo method, which is like toning the hair, or I always just basically dye it. But I don't want to dye this one because, to be honest, since I've been doing hair reviews, I don't think I've ever left my platinum blonde wigs in their natural state. So today I really want to try something new and see what it will be given. The color is scaring me though, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's just go ahead and install her. Enough of me chit-chatting. I love how the lace is looking. And it's not too thick either. It's a really nice lace that they use for it. I know it's not HD, because HD is a little finer than this. But the lace is still nice nonetheless. It's like a really nice transparent lace. The only thing I hate with like blonde wigs is the fact that I'm gonna have to do a ball cap method, because you guys see right here, that's my cap, that's like right here, and you're seeing it. So to lay my wig down, I'm gonna be using the Ebony York Wonder Lace Adhesive Spray. This one is the Supreme. I'm not doing a ball cap method because honestly I don't have time for it right now, and realistically, as long as you know how to lay down your wig, you can make anything work. Do it however you prefer to do your wigs. at first I was hating on the color, but yeah, this is starting to grow on me. Like, I feel so cute, and I'm not even done yet. Alright, so for this part right here, I'm just going to use my contour powder and add a bit there so it looks more realistic. Now I'm just going to take my wax stick and we're just going to add some to the hair. That way all the flyaways can stay down and be tamed. I'm gonna lie to you guys, I was not expecting this wig to turn out this way. To be honest, like prior to me styling the hair, it just looked so yellow and so shiny and brassy, and the fact that now that I actually went ahead and style it and straighten it, you don't see so much of that shininess. Like, it pretty much went away. That is so crazy. It feels really silky. It's super soft. So far I'm not getting any tangling or shedding, but you guys do know blonde hair, it does tend to shed quite a bit, but so far so good. I'm not getting any shedding at all. Running my fingers short, absolutely nothing is coming out, so that's a good sign so far. It honestly just turned out so much better than I expected it to. The hair is just beautiful, you guys. Again, I got this hair in a 26-inch and a little so you guys can see the ends of the hair. This is what it's looking like. It's not too thin, so I'm really liking that. It is a 180 density, so the hair is pretty full, but it's not like too crazy full. But for some blonde hair, it is pretty full. So yeah, so far so good. Like I said, you guys, definitely this wig is a 10 out of 10. Honestly, I don't have anything else to say on this hair. It pretty much speaks for itself. Like, the hair is giving, okay? It is bomb. I'm definitely getting like Barbie vibes. Like, she is it. Everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys. Makeup, lashes, all of that will be listed down below. The lashes that I'm wearing are some lashes that I'm actually testing out for my website. They're not on my website yet because, to be honest, I don't know how to feel about them. But I mean, if they grow on me, I'll probably put them up. But yeah, check out my website. It's linked in the description box down below. It's Adore Beauty. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. You're watching Kayladeebookings.